Mercury pollution in our oceans. Mercury pollution is found everywhere in the world, our air, soil, and most importantly in our oceans, and that is affecting our marine life, causing serious health risks to not just humans but our marine ecosystem as well. A point source pollutant for mercury is power plants that use coal for power. When coal is burned, it releases the mercury that is inside of it into our atmosphere, which is then brought into our oceans through winds and rain. When it reaches into our oceans, it converts into methyl mercury, which is picked up by marine life that are at the bottom of the food chain, and small concentrated amounts of mercury makes its way up the food chain, and higher concentrations are found in bigger fish through a process called bioaccumulation. And one important example out of all of this is what happened to the people of Minamata, Japan. The people of Japan that live in Minamata experience what is now called Minamata disease. It was a disease that caused blindness, hearing loss, and in some cases it proved to be
This
fatal.
disease started to spread around May 1956. The people in Minamata loved to catch and eat fish and shellfish from the nearby bay, but were not aware of the wastewater being discharged from a chemical plant close by. Mercury is harmful because even in small amounts of it, it can be a huge problem to the development of a child in the uterus, and for adults, it can cause harmful effects to our nervous, digestive, and immune systems. By consuming a large amount of it can be fatal, but mercury is not just harmful to humans, but our wildlife, which eat fish as part of their diet, and their fish themselves are affected by this as well. Human activities since the Industrial Revolution have tripled the amount of mercury in shallow parts of the ocean, posing a threat to human health worldwide. Mercury is known to be one of the top 6 toxic harmful threats. This first figure displays the sites of contamination by mercury worldwide. And this second figure displays the number of people at risk of mercury contamination as well. The possible methods to help minimize and prevent mercury contamination include reducing the consumption of raw materials and products that release mercury, substituting mercury with non-mercury alternatives, waste management, and end-of-pipe techniques.